Woohoo! Yes, we can do it. Yes. There are 5 things. If you are a woman, you are good, and when you go with a guy for a date, you must observe, you must ask these 5 questions. It's very, very important. Number 1, what what is his long term plan? Okay, for in health area, in wealth area, in relationship area. Okay, how he want to spend his family life in future, how many kids he likes. Okay, and what type of lifestyle he loves. Observe this, ask this. Second, his short term actions. Is he taking actions? Is he taking good actions on the long term plan he has created? Is he taking short term actions or not? Okay. Third one is that how he feels about relationship, how he feels about the relationship with his parent, with God. Okay, and with you as well, the mainly two, in relationship, how he feels about his mom, dad, and God. Okay, and fourth one is that how means what he thinks about you. Is he thinking long term? Is he thinking long term about you? Do he really thinks about you? Okay, do he think about you in long term to live with you? And fifth one is how he feels about you. Does he feel that he loves you, misses you, he missed you, or when he lives with you, when he spend time with you, he feels great or not? Okay, these 5 things. All the best once more. Woohoo! Yes, we can do it. Thank you very much.